Cool. So hello and welcome to the stream. This is a stream with myself, A, and my good friend Tevo. The idea here is that we're gonna go through the current proposals on the Catalyst Fund. The Catalyst Fund is a decentralized fund that is available to anyone on the planet. Come along if you've got a local problem which you're looking to solve. You're able to, come and put forward a proposal in the format of, this is a problem that I'm looking to solve, and here's a solution that I'm putting forward. And then additionally, you can put in stuff like, I've got this experience, and break down, if this problem is solved, it will result in blah blah blah, and all these other awesome things happening as a byproduct of the thing coming into existence. And as the title shows, there's up to 250 or estimated around 250 USD equivalent of ADA that is available to be distributed amongst the folks who will actually be successful in the applications. The idea is that the fund resets every 6 weeks. Right, we haven't quite got into that cadence yet, so this is just Fund 2 that we're going to be reviewing. Up next, I believe January Fund 3 will begin, and then from that point, the idea is that it's going to be every 6 weeks. So this is it, Cardano.ideascale.com, and it basically breaks down exactly what I said. So the idea is to innovate together, and then as a community, we're able to vote on the favorite ideas. And you just sort of stay up to date in terms of what's happening. So that's it, Project Catalyst. That's a little logo there. And I'll just jump here to sort of show the different stages. So in the beginning, you submit your proposal. After you submit it, you then get the opportunity. So this lasts around a week. Then you get the opportunity to then refine it in the following week. And then you finalize it before the idea is then assessed by select folks or people who self-select to be assessors. And then after that, there's a voter discussion. Then I believe the voting happens. And then those who are not successful are archived. Those who are successful are funded. Again, it's still experimental. And all this is most likely going to change and evolve as we learn from the whole process. Right, so I'll jump forward here to the listings of Fund 2. So as I said before, there are different funds. Today we're going to be looking at the fund proposals for Fund 2. And the idea here is, the challenge, I believe, is to put forward ideas which would encourage developers and entrepreneurs to build stuff within Cardano over the next 6 months. So that's the framing around, the frame / metric to which, or the bar that we're going to be kind of evaluating some of these ideas by-ish, roughly. Because some of us are of the opinion that the challenge, it wasn't particularly, say, the best challenge to have set out, but anyway, in general, the idea behind this is we're going to have Tevo and I go through all the proposals, which are going to be in a randomized order, right? So as you can see,
right now it might not be.
I
think you have to go back.
I was trying to get to it by going forward, but that's apparently not happening. So here you're able to filter the list of ideas, right, by popular trending. Have a look at my ideas, which we won't. Well, actually, this is my idea cast. But so random. And then what this does is that it repopulates this whole thing. It repopulates this whole thing in a randomized order. And as you can see, if we go into this, it then illustrates here that there are 78 proposals. And so the idea here is that, yeah, we're going to go through all of these quickly, maximum of 2 minutes each, and just sort of give like strengths and weaknesses. So like best case scenario, if this worked, like what, you know, what's the potential, you know, kind of thing, as opposed to saying, you know, I would vote for this or I would not vote for that, because, you know, that's, you know, influencing and sort of bias, etc. Yeah. So,